Do you overthink everything? It's not logic, it's fear. Overthinking feels like problem solving, but it's really fear in disguise. Fear of being wrong, fear of missing out, fear of what people will think. And while your brain keeps spinning, your life stays on pause. Here's the truth. The more you think about a decision, the harder it gets. Every new option feels safer, but also riskier. Every delay feels smart, but it wastes more time. This is analysis paralysis. The trap that makes you believe thinking longer means choosing better. But most of the time, it just means choosing never. So, how do you break free? Stop treating decisions like riddles to solve, and start treating them like experiments. Instead of asking, what if this goes wrong? Ask, what will I learn if I try? That shift changes the goal from being perfect to being in motion. Here's a simple way to snap out of overthinking. The 3-minute rule. If a decision takes less than 3 minutes, decide now. Don't waste 30 minutes debating what will only take 30 seconds to do. Choosing lunch, writing a reply, sending a message, these are micro decisions. They don't deserve the weight of a life choice. Decide, move on, save your energy for what matters. If it has multiple good options, pick one and move forward. Overthinking often hides in choices where there's no real wrong answer. Which book to read first? Which project tool to use? Which color for your design? They'll all work. The longer you hesitate, the more you lose momentum. Progress beats perfection. If it feels scary, that's fine. Action shrinks fear, not more thinking. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means you've found a decision that actually matters. And the fastest way to shrink that fear isn't more analysis, it's action. Every step forward rewires your brain. See? I survived. I learned. I'm moving. That's how fear becomes growth. Remember, clarity comes from action, not endless thought experiments. Overthinking is fear pretending to be wisdom. But once you see it, you don't have to get stuck spinning. Decide faster, learn faster, move forward. That's how this channel started. And that's how your future starts too. Subscribe and let's keep moving forward in pixels.